conversation between mom and daughter about science fair.
What's wrong, Carrie? Why do you look so sad?
Mom, Dad is not coming to my school tomorrow.
What is at your school tomorrow?
Tomorrow, there is a science fair in our school. I told you a few days ago. Mom.
I am really sorry, my dear. I completely forgot about the science fair.
It is okay, Mom.
Have you participated in it?
Yes, Mom. I have participated in it.
Which project have you chosen?
I have chosen wind energy project.
With whom have you participated?
With Dolly.
Wow. She is a good student.
Yes, Mom.
How many students have participated in it?
Around 100 students have participated in it.
Who are the judges of the science fair?
Mr. John Fernandez, Kate D'Souza, Michelle Thompson, and Martin Jackson are the judges of the science fair.
Have you made all the preparations for your project?
Yes, Mom.
How will you explain your project to your judges?
First, I will introduce myself. Then, I will explain how this project works. I will explain what are the advantages and disadvantages of this project.
Can you explain me how wind energy works?
Yes, Mom. The energy generated with the help of wind is called wind energy. Mechanical energy is generated using wind. After that, windmills with the help of wind turbines are used to convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical energy. These windmills are connected with electrical generators and form it we get electrical energy. After the electricity is generated, it is sent forward with the help of substation so that it can reach the consumer.
That is great. Can you explain its benefits?
Yes, Mom. Wind energy is used to charge batteries and generate electric power. It is available for free. Maintenance costs are low. It doesn't cause any pollution. The cost of power generation is low.
Wow. There are many benefits. Can you explain me its disadvantages?
At present, the capital cost is high. Sometimes, wind can be more or less. Storm, cyclone, tornado, damage wind turbines.
This project has more advantages than disadvantages.
Yes, Mom.
You explained very well.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't worry, dear. I will come to your school tomorrow, if your dad is busy.
Thanks, Mom.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.